everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this pre-owned 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trailhawk that we have here on the lot. Just gonna take a quick walk around the Jeep today, just to show you some of the features and options that it has to offer. Now with that Trailhawk trim level, you do get tons of great features packed into this unit. Coming around towards the back here, you can see you do have your park sense. You can see your sensors there across that back bumper. Your towing hauling capabilities there. Backup camera equipped there as well. Your power lift gate. Checking out some of the cargo space in the back here, you can see a decent amount of space back there to store your gear bags out of the way while on the go. Your full-size spare tire. Again, just that power lift gate. So checking out some of the features inside here. So the Jeep itself can sit up to 5 passengers, so you can get 3 in that back seat quite comfortably. You can see a decent amount of legroom back there for them. In that back seat as well, you do have your heated second row seats as well as some USB ports back there. Up top, you do have your dual pane sunroof. Checking out some of the features up front here. So touchscreen display area, very user-friendly interface with that Uconnect system in there. Of course, access to all of your radio, audio, media controls. Bluetooth capabilities also included in through there as well. Access to your climate control options, so your heated, vented front seats, heated steering wheel. Some of the apps that are included in through there. Again, your climate control options, so you do have your dual climate control. Navigation is equipped, and your Bluetooth capabilities. Again, just below that, access to your basic audio, media controls, climate control options. You do have lane assist, as you can see there. So a lot of great features packed into this unit. A little bit of storage space in throughout that center console area. You do have your push button start, as you can see in behind, so key fob right here. Remote start's included, so a great feature you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Steering wheel mounted controls, your cruise control options. You do have adaptive cruise control, so a great feature there. Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities in on that left-hand side. Audio media controls in behind the steering wheel. So you can easily keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connectable on the go. Of course, all your power windows, locks, and side mirrors. You do have a memory driver's seat. And this 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee does have only 80,865 kilometers currently on it. But if you're looking for a great pre-owned SUV, something with a great blend of features included in it, this Jeep Grand Cherokee could be for you. If you have questions, please give the team a call at 780-826-2999 or follow the links below.